this, and you will not visit a doctor ever again. It returns vision, removes fat liver, and much more. I am 60 years old, and this plant returned my vision, removed fat from my liver, and completely cleaned my colon. Our health is the most important thing in our life, and I'm glad to see that people are becoming aware of this and trying to do everything they can to preserve it in optimal condition. As much as we try, as we grow old, some bodily functions start to slow down. Our organs don't work as good as they did before, and our entire body starts to age. We start to experience problems like vision loss, colon obstruction, and fat accumulation in the liver. The obvious sign of aging. We can't stop the aging process, but we can slow it down and improve our health. We just need to know how. For these problems, nature has a simple solution, and we will share it with you. If you want to stay young and vital for longer, you need to eat more peats. Peats are radish vegetables, which can be eaten raw in salads or added to smoothies and shakes. It may not taste like much, but it's extra healthy and nutritious. Beetroot can help you restore your vision, eliminate colon obstruction, and improve your overall health. Beets and its health benefits. Beetroot is an excellent veggie when it comes to improving circulation and strengthening your cardiovascular system. It's rich in tryptophan and betaine. Both are extremely effective against excessive levels of stress and anxiety. They are also energy boosting and have anti-inflammatory properties. They abound in antioxidants and have an overall positive effect on your entire body. Here's an excellent recipe for a beet salad you can prepare at home and enjoy its benefits. Ingredients: from 2 to 3 medium-sized beets, 2 onions, a drizzle of evil, some vinegar, a pinch of salt. Peel the beetroot and boil them a bit in some salted water. Take the boiled beets and slice them into small pieces. Chop the onion as well and mix it with the beets. Drizzle the evil and vinegar and add a pinch of salt. Bon appetit! This salad is amazingly refreshing and healthy, and if consumed regularly, will improve your vision and cleanse your liver and colon as well. Enjoy the taste and get healthy.